Three ways of converting Excel file into PDF. Number 1, go to File, select Save As, select Browse, give it a name. From the drop-down select PDF and click on Save. Second way, select File, select Print. Make sure you've got Microsoft Print to PDF selected. You've got three settings: print active sheets, print entire workbook, or print selection. Select Print, give it a name, and click on Save. And third option, select File, go to Export, select Create PDF XPS document, and click on Create PDF XPS. Give it a name, and click Publish. You can easily adjust area what should appear in your PDF. Go to View, select Page Break Preview, and adjust area as needed.